Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Livania Chiantoery, and at this time I will explain about the definition of inference and also the example of inference. What is the definition of inference? Inference can be in the form of something that can be concluded or the process of drawing conclusions or opinion about something that is already based on facts or evidence that has been obtained. For example, I took the example of a BBC Future article written by Jessica Brown on January 5, 2018. She writes about what science has suggested so far about the impact of platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram on your mental well-being. Some of the evidence that can be found in science findings. First is about emphasis. In 2015, researchers at the Pew Research Center in Washington, D.C. tried to find out whether social media causes more stress than it relieves it. In a survey of 1,800 people, women reported more stress than men. And then about mood. In 2014, researchers in Austria found that participants reported lower moods after using Facebook for 20 minutes compared to those who just surfed the internet. According to researchers from the University of California, good or bad moods can also spread among people on social media. And then about anxiety. Researchers from Babes-Bolyai University in Romania reviewed research on the link between social anxiety and social networking in 2016 and said the results were mixed and concluded that more research was needed. And then about depression. A study involving more than 700 students found that symptoms of depression, such as low mood, and feelings of worthlessness and hopelessness were related to online interactions. And then about sleep. Studies have found that this can inhibit the body's production of the hormone melatonin, which facilitates sleep. The blue light emitted by smartphone and laptop screen is said to be the worst culprit. Researchers from the University of Pittsburgh asked 1,700 children aged 18 to 30 about their social media and sleeping habits. They discovered sleep disturbances and concluded that blue light was the cause. And then about addiction. In 2011, the Riakus and Mark Griffiths from Nottingham Trent University in the UK analyzed 43 previous studies on the problem of social media addiction and concluded that social media addiction is a mental health problem that may require professional treatment. And last is about self-esteem. A 2016 study by researchers at Penn State University showed that looking at other people's selfies can lower self-esteem, as users compare themselves to photos of people who look the happiest. Research from Strathclyde University, Ohio University, and Iowa University also found that women compared themselves negatively to other women's selfies. And from of the evidence that has been gathered, here she or the writer draws the conclusion by saying that although not enough is known to draw many strong conclusions, evidence suggests one way, that is social media affects people differently depending on one's pre-existing conditions and personality traits. The use of something that is excessive may not be recommended for some people. However, it is wrong to say social media is universally bad, because social media clearly brings so many benefits to our lives. I think that's all from me, and thank you.